my pocket's empty. I don't really wanna go to work. No, no, no. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take.
Welcome to Nassau, Bahamas. All right, we are back in Nassau, Bahamas. You can see all the cruise ships here. We got another great tour planned for you today. Look at the water. All right, we just got off the cruise ship and we're heading to the free beach, Junkanoo Beach. We're gonna show you exactly how to get there, show you some of the highlights on the way, but just keep following the paths out to Main Street. You can see from this map that I'm gonna show you how close it is. It's exactly, well, not exactly, it's less than 1 mile to get to Junkanoo Beach, but it's only a 15-minute walk. You just don't realize how big these ships are until you're standing next to one. You can even do one of these in Nassau, a pirate ship. Oh, and when you come right off the cruise ship, there's guys trying to get you to sell you any kind of tour right here off the dock. Oh, and did I tell you there's so much shopping in Nassau? This market here, it's still one of my favorites just because of how colorful it is. And they even got a bar over here with chilled coconuts. This is the main road that's right off of the port and the Junkanoo Beach. You want to make sure you're walking down here and checking all these shops out because they have some great ones. This is new, Bohemian wine. And the people, the Bohemian people are so very nice. They'll say hello to you. Maybe they just want to sell you something. Like I said, there is plenty of stuff to buy here in Nassau. This store is right off of the cruise ship. Anything Nassau related is in here. Continue on. Right up here is one of my favorite little places. I told you about it in my last video. Make sure you're walking down all these side streets on the way to the beach because there's so many shops. Oh, and I see it down there, Senor Frogs. That will be our first turn. They're putting all these shops right off of the cruise ship port. It looks like they might have bus stops here as well, but I'll be back here in April and give you another update. Let's continue to Junkanoo. All right, we continue on through to Junkanoo Beach off of Main Street here. But this, if you've never experienced it, you have got to do the straw market. I will just prepare you. They will try and sell you everything in this store. This is the carving station that these guys do here. But we bought many of stuff in this carving place, and they got just about everything. And they'll carve it right in front of you. Is Winston still around? No, he's gone.
But he retired from out here. He's over the hill.
Okay.
But he's still coming.
That's good. Oh, look at this guy's shop. Wow. There's a Bahama daiquiri and jerk chicken bar, it looks like, right along the water. All right, and when you find this jerk chicken stand, you're gonna be right next to Senor Frog. This is where you make your first turn. You turn left. All right, and I showed you this in my last video. Lakai Carry. It's a bar that's right on the water. Look at this bar out here. Can you see the water? Is that green or what? But it's a bar right on the water. Waterfront bar and grill. There's Serenity Beach over there, I'm guessing. Let's walk out to the end of this boardwalk. We're gonna make it to Junkanoo, I promise you. But you gotta see some of these cool highlights too. You wanna sit down and watch your cruise ship? Stop in here. So we're just walking up here past Senor Frog. And we're gonna take this street up here until you can make a right. Oh, and make sure you're putting suntan lotion. It's hot here, isn't it? All right, so we're approaching the intersection up here where we turn at Senior Frogs, and you're just gonna keep going up here, and we're gonna make a right at this intersection. This will be Bay Street. When you come back, make sure you're walking down Bay Street. I'll show you that a little bit later, but that's where a lot of the great shopping is. So here we go. We're making that right I told you about. You're going to zigzag through here, and up here at this intersection, you're just going to take another right at the Dunkin' Donuts. Look at the palms and the foliage here. City of Nassau. And up here, as you make that turn, you can see, if you get hungry, there's a McDonald's. So we're just passing McDonald's right here. And this next intersection, you want to just keep turning rights because that's going to take you back to the water side. And there's gift stores along the way. Here's a good sign. Junkanoo Beach and Gift. Now remember, Junkanoo Beach is a free beach. That's why you can see many people walking here from the cruise ship. It's the closest free beach to port. You don't have to pay for any excursion. You could taxi cab out here, but that would be fine. Oh, and did I tell you? There's a Margaritaville in Nassau, Bahamas. All right, and if you found this sign for Margaritaville Hotel, you know you're getting close. And it's got a water park, Fins Up Water Park. All right, and when you see this sign, you want to go down that road there where the palm trees are lined up. I think I'm in heaven. One particular harbor, and right there's the Margaritaville Beach Resort. I'm just going to walk in the lobby if I can. So we're walking through Margaritaville. I just wanted to see what they got. I know they have their own beach out here, but let's just look at the view. There's the Fins Up Water Park right there. About to take a peek in there. Look at this view off Margaritaville. Let's see how long it takes for me to get kicked out of here. But this is the Fins Up Water Park. Look at this place. A lazy river, some beds. Oh my gosh. You could spend a week here. It's incredible. I might as well just keep videoing. Nobody's yelling at me, but you see the waterfall underneath here? Is that unbelievable? And I know they got a couple water slides in here. Over there is one of them. Look at this. This is one of the tunnels for that lazy river that goes around. It's beautiful here at Margaritaville Resort. I'll be back. But we gotta get to Junkanoo, right? So this is the Margaritaville Beach. But if you look over there to the left, where that pier is, right about there, that is where Junkanoo Beach starts. That's where we're headed. All right, so we're leaving Margaritaville and we're heading down, again, the closest sidewalk to the water side. There's shops all along here. There's the Margaritaville store, but high-end shopping through this part of Nassau. We made it. You turn this corner after Margaritaville is Junkanoo Beach. There's bars, tons of bars. Look at them down through here. What do they say? They rent the chairs for $10, I think?
I think so, yeah.
But this is Junkanoo Beach. All right, this is Junkanoo Beach. Check it out. Beach toys. Junkanoo Beach. My wife just saw this. What is it?
3 beers for $10.
3 beers for $10 in this little bar. This is why a lot of people come to this section of the beach. It's very reasonable if you want to drink or just sit and relax. But yeah, you can see they got, I don't know how many bars in this place, but it's many.
You got a change for $100?
But we're still working our way to the beach. This is part of the beach here, but over on the left side, you can see much more. Here we are, Junkanoo. You can see how close we are to the ships over there. So again, if you were not stopping like we did on the way here, 15-minute walk. There's my wife in the Bahama water. How is it, hon?
I said perfect.
She said it's perfect. I tell you one thing, it is for a free beach and walking distance, it's not too bad.
Hi guys,
What are you guys famous for?
our fish and our crabs were very famous, and our terrific peas and rice. Hi, I'm Casey. Please come on down to the Bahamas. Junkanoo Beach is our home, and the salty crab is where I'm at. Come on at the salty crab. We have 4 for $20 drink specials. We have 3 for $12 beer specials with a free shot. Come and see me, and we got beach chairs with umbrellas all day. Come and see us, and we definitely will take care of you.
Awesome, man.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, here we are at the Salty Crab. We got our drinks. We're
Yep.
sitting by this beautiful water. Hopefully you can see it behind us. But
It's really beautiful. Now, it is a free beach, but we spent $30 to rent 2 chairs and an umbrella, and then it was 4 cocktails for $20, which you can't beat that. So $50, and we are going to have a wonderful day.
yep, it's perfect.
The beach here is actually really very clean. The sand is so soft. It's really a nice little slice of paradise.
Junkanoo Beach from one of the piers. Look at this bar in Junkanoo Beach. This place is called Seagulls. All right, I know I told you this once, but there's no shortage of bars along here. This is called Owen's Spot. There's Marshall's World, but I don't know if you can see that smoke back there. But this is why I came here today. The jerk chicken spot. Let's see if it's ready yet. If you like jerk chicken, there is no better place in the Bahamas than these guys. I've gotten it many different times. Look at that mac and cheese back here. And the rice over there in that cooker. These guys work hard. You gotta support them. It's amazing. Oh, he's cutting that chicken. It's like making my mouth water. So there we go. One of my favorite things here at Junkanoo Beach is this jerk chicken. How is it?
Amazing. Oh my God.
It is so amazing. We look forward to it every time we get here.
All right, well, we spent about 3 to 4 hours at Junkanoo Beach. It was a beautiful day, relaxing, but it's time to get back to the ship. So what I wanted to tell you, rather than when you're walking back, heading to Senior Frogs and going up that main street, take Bay Street. There are so many shops. You get to see the other side of the straw market, jewelry shops galore. All kinds of souvenir shops. It's a great place to shop. And if you never had a rum cake in Nassau, make sure you try one and take some home. They are excellent. But again, fantastic day. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Have a great day, and please,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell.
oh yes.
It is so sweet under the sun. And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really wanna go to